Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. To find Hansel Hangout's total fixed cost, or TFC, use the formula TFC equals ATC minus AVC times Q. At the profit-maximizing quantity of 10 units, ATC is $20 and AVC is $12, so TFC equals 8 times 10 or $80. Where MR equals MC, since the flat demand curve is at P equals $15, the firm makes 10 units. Profit is P minus ATC times Q, which is 15 minus 20 times 10, equaling negative $50, showing a loss. Eventually, firms exit, causing supply to drop and the market price to rise. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double-check each step carefully.